Try this detox drink recipe for an instant refresh. Hey everyone, feeling sluggish, bloated, or just in need of a quick refresh? Today we're making a simple yet powerful detox drink that will help cleanse your body, boost your energy, and leave you feeling amazing. Why detox drinks? Detox drinks are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help. Number one, flush out toxins. Number two, improve digestion. Number three, boost hydration. Number four, support weight loss. Number five, give you glowing skin. This recipe is easy, natural, and super effective. Plus, it tastes delicious. The ultimate detox drink recipe. Ingredients: 1 lemon, helps flush out toxins and alkalizes the body. 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Natural sweetener with antibacterial properties. Half teaspoon ginger, grated, reduces inflammation and aids digestion. 5 to 6 mint leaves, soothes digestion and adds a refreshing taste. 2-3 ice cubes, keeps it cool and hydrating. 1 glass warm or cold water, helps with hydration and detoxification. How to make it. 1. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass. 2. Add grated ginger and fresh mint leaves. 3. Pour in warm or cold water based on your preference. 4. Mix well and let it sit for a few minutes. 5. Enjoy your refreshing detox drink. Pro tips for best results. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. For a metabolism boost, add a pinch of cinnamon or cayenne pepper. Want a tropical twist? Add cucumber slices or a splash of coconut water. Watch and try it yourself. Try this simple detox drink and let me know how you feel in the comments. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Stay refreshed, stay healthy. See you in the next video.